Apple's cheapest iPhone is official. The home button is dead. Apple has launched the iPhone 16e with an updated design and killed off the iPhone's classic Touch ID interface. Instead, the 16e moves to a Face ID-enabled notch and adds the latest A18 chip and support for Apple Intelligence under the surface, with a starting price of $599. The 16e is a kind of iPhone successor based on the design of 2022's iPhone 14, meaning it fits the front-facing cameras required for Face ID and selfies, into a notch that cuts down from the top of the phone rather than the dynamic island design found on the company's latest flagship phones. With a 6.06-inch OLED display, the 16e is now close to the same size as Apple's standard 6.12-inch iPhone 16, meaning the company no longer offers a phone significantly smaller than its default model, at least not until the rumored iPhone 17 Air arrives. The 16e's measurements show it's about 0.1 mm narrower and 0.7 mm shorter than the standard iPhone 16. The 16e comes in your choice of vibrant, white or black. The 16e includes the customizable action button but not the new camera control you'll find on the 16 series. It does swap its Lightning port for USB-C, now a requirement for the phone to be sold in the EU. What it doesn't have is support for MagSafe accessories or fast wireless charging, as the iPhone 16e only supports Qi wireless charging up to 7.5W, which will power you up more slowly than the 25W charging available on pricier iPhones. On the inside, there's an A18 chipset, the same chip as the iPhone 16. That makes the 16e powerful enough to run Apple Intelligence, the suite of AI tools that includes notification summaries. Even the non-Pro iPhone 15 can't do that, so the 16e is one of the most capable iPhones out there. Apple has previously confirmed that 8GB RAM was the minimum to get Apple Intelligence support in the iPhone 16 series, so it's likely that the 16e also boasts at least that much memory. The cheapest version has also been bumped to a baseline of 128GB of storage, meaning there's no longer a 64GB iPhone. There's only a single 48-megapixel rear camera. The lack of additional cameras is the biggest downgrade compared to the company's other handsets. With support for wireless charging and a water-resistant IP rating, there's little you have to give up elsewhere. The iPhone 16e is also the first iPhone to include a modem developed by Apple itself. The new iPhone 16e is available to pre-order Friday starting at $599, which is a significant price hike from the $429 2022 iPhone SE, though you get a lot more storage, 128GB, in the base model and a much more modern design. The 16e ships on February 28th. That's all for today.
Until next time, techies. Stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.